And check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, trading room. Good morning, boot campers. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's shaking my bacons? Been a very challenging market, huh? Just got to be very patient, very disciplined. Take a chill pill. It is the last day of boot camp. Boom, chakalaka laka. We got a couple of orders out. Yeah, I like the 86 too, but we're going to take a chill pill. 10 o'clock, we have consumer confidence. So we relax. Got a couple of small orders out now in the MESs. Again, it is MES Friday. Relax, don't do it. Been a good week, been a good month, been a good year. Take a chill pill. Sitting in the middle of nowhere's land in most things. Good morning, Elijah. Oil's not doing anything. Bitcoin's down, trying to bounce a little bit. Gold, not doing anything. We have our orb set up for 9:30. I don't have any orders out other than what you see up there. And we are relaxing. Dave, let us in. You're in. I will have visitors again next week, guys and girls. So I'll post my email. You guys send me an email and I'll have you guys come into the trading room next week for the entire week. Chakalaka laka. Good morning, good morning. I'll send you a link to the room on Sunday. And again, we're usually done by 11 o'clock today, although last day of boot camp. So for my boot campers, today we have, for those of you who don't know, boot camp is when we go over our entire course in real time. If you own any of our courses that include the boot camp, you're in. It has been an unbelievable learning week. Hey, where's my boot campers? Where we are, scale of 1 to 10 from when we started here. Give me some numbers, guys and girls. Those of you in the boot camp. Been a hell of a week. We had one losing day this week. I think we've had one losing day in the last 40 days. I can talk about it now because our streak ended yesterday. I think we lost 150 bucks. But we're going to have losing trades. We're going to have losing days. They've been few and far between for us. God, I think we were on like a 40-day winning streak. But it is what it is. And I think we got tweeted, which was susceptible at any time. So everybody relax. It's Friday. Today we'll take an early break, 11 o'clock. And then 11:30 until the rest of the day, you are going to have Ken and Kevin. We're going to do Fibonacci's this morning. Boom. We are going to do the Ken's Momo trade, which is about 90% success rate if you do it properly. And then in the afternoon, we will have advanced options with Kevin. So still got a lot to do. Before all my boot campers get out of here, we'll give you your options of what to do next if you decide to stay with us, if you want some private lessons. Boom, chakalaka laka. Is it possible to access the trading room? Why? For next week. You already came in once this week. If you've already been visiting with us, guys and girls, you can't come in again. Okay? We have people that are taking advantage that want to do the free trial 10 times. Yes. I am getting ready for something. We can talk about that a little bit. And again, guys, we don't give financial advice, but I am looking at some swing trades. That is also part of what we do. ES is coming in a little bit. Let's see if we can get down to our 83.50. I am looking at some swing trades in some stocks and the overall markets. I'm basing it on the spiders. These are my levels. Again, we don't give financial advice. I have 638 in the spiders on a monthly level and 636 in the spiders on a weekly level. That's what I personally will start buying some things. I'm going to be looking at, I'll tell you what I'm going to be looking at again, not financial advice. I'm going to be looking at Microsoft, which is on a 10-day down streak. I have a marker at 354. down 10 points from here. I'm going to be looking at NVIDIA if we get anywhere near the 163 level. It's another spot that I'm looking for. I am going to be looking at Meta. We have a gigantic level at 500. I don't think we're going to get that low. That is our weekly level is 499 and then 440. What I'm looking at in Meta is my daily chart to get 3 down days in a row and below a 20 RSI. So today would be day 2. We are down another $6. So if we close down today and open down on Monday, I will do something in Meta, either with options, whatever. They're going to be, Meta's going to be very expensive. Yeah, whatever, Pete. I play my technicals. We get 3 days down in a row, I look to buy a little option. That's the bottom line. So I'm looking at Meta, I'm looking at Microsoft, looking at NVIDIA. I'm going to be looking to short the VXX. If we hit my levels, I'll buy some puts in UVXY also. If we hit those levels, UVXY, if I get around this 6180 level, that's where I will buy some puts in UVXY. I'll tweet it all out. Again, not financial advice. Everybody does their own thing. Boom, chakalaka. That's just the levels that I am looking at. I've been eyeing those levels for a couple of months now. Doesn't mean they're going to stop if we hit those levels, but that's where I'm going to spring into a little action, especially for some longer term stuff. You know, I've been out of the market for, I don't know, 6 months, more than that. The overall market, you know, I still have my NVIDIA and my Apple and a bunch of other long-term stuff that I sell occasionally. Now I'm looking to buy back. So that's what I'm looking at. Do you do private lessons, or there's someone else from the team on swing trading and stocks? We have swing trading in the course. I went over it yesterday, Mia. We talked about it for about an hour yesterday between slow markets and during the day about longer term trading. So what I'm looking for, Mia, is daily, weekly, and monthly levels, you know, for long-term investing. Like if I start buying some stuff when we hit my spider levels, that'll be my first entry. And I will add to it, and that'll be for longer term. Again, not financial advice, yada, 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 yada. So the bottom line is if you're young, anywhere under 40 or 50, even 50 years old, you buy these dips. That's the bottom line. We'll be down about 10% if we hit my levels in the spiders. You know, and then if we break those levels, we got gigantic gaps. Weekly and monthly levels. You know, my next spot in the spiders would be around 588, which is down 50 points from there. But again, so I would start very small here. I would add even more there. That's for longer term. So meanwhile, we don't give a crap about that today. Most days we don't, but I wanted to talk about it in case we get near any of my levels. So what time is it? It's only 8:30. Geez Louise. So we'll leave the orders we have out there for now for a few minutes. Still like them if we go in that direction. 83 is down 11 points. The ATR is 6, so it's double the ATR. 09 is up 15 points, so that's almost triple the ATR. That's good. Made a couple of bucks in slow markets last night, right, guys and girls? Had a few good trades. Yep. Always nice to have a couple of good trades in slow markets, bring us into the next day so you can really take it easy now and relax. Anyone who owns any of our courses, guys and girls, even the cheapest futures course, which is only $299, gives you lifetime mentorship, and Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets. I think Scotty has had one losing slow market since he started doing it months ago. So a lot of people come into this. So I think we had 140 people in there last night in slow markets. That is also included in what we do. So here we are. 10 o'clock is consumer confidence. We will not have any orders out at 10 o'clock. That could be a very big number. Okay. 10 o'clock consumer confidence. That is a big number. And we got some Fed speak, 11:30, yada, yada, yada. Next week, nothing on Monday. We got jolts on Tuesday. That's an unemployment number and consumer confidence. That's big. Reason I show you this stuff is so we do not have any orders out when some of these big economic events are coming out. Anything in black, we tend to not have any orders out. And red. Red is even bigger. Jolts is big. That's an unemployment number. Wednesday, we got retail sales. That can affect the markets. Thursday is big. ISM manufacturing, oil inventories. And next Friday, not much. So always keep your eyes. I go use tradingeconomics.com to look for the economic news that is coming out for the day. Always got to be aware of it. So again, kind of sitting in nowhere's land. And we're going to take a chill pill as we get closer to the opening. We'll cancel everything and we will play our opening range breakout. How did VCX work out for everybody? $550 2 days ago when we said this was not going to end well. $575. I actually had an order out this morning. I think it was 185, like 30 EMA. What was it? I don't remember what it was. 15 EMA is 168. Yeah, I had an order on my 9. What was that? No, not 207. I don't remember what it was. But 15 EMA is $168. Not that I recommend anyone trading this, but it's down $25 from here. That was an accident waiting to happen, obviously. I mean, how many people are so stupid that they went in and bought an IPO that opened at $31 at $575? Not very intelligent. BMR is another one I'll get interested. Let's see where Bitcoin is. Where are we in Bitcoin? We're at 66,000. Let's go to our daily chart. Yeah, I mean, I'm not interested until we break 60,000 lows again. I think we have a monthly level at about, what is that? 62,714, which we tested once and went up like 3,000 points. That's the big giant level in Bitcoin, 62,700. So we're 4,000 points away from that. And then we got 46,000, which I would love. If that ever happened. I won't be able to get the course until, can I do it with my iPhone because I drive trucks? You can, Robert. You can certainly trade futures. We have a lot of people who, I won't say a lot, but we have a couple of people who actually drive trucks that trade. One of them was really, really successful until he went off the rails on a crazy train. He's going off the rails on a crazy train. All right, 83 is still down 10 points from here, so we'll still take a peek. 6509 is up 19 points, so we'll still take a peek there. But this 83, we want to happen in short order if we're going to get it. So let's keep our eyes on it. Below 83, we don't have much. I think we have a daily level around 6,400 or a weekly or a monthly. Let's check. Not daily. Weekly, 6,402. Again, that might be a spot where I start swinging some of this. It's down 70 points from here. That might line up with my 638 in the spiders. So I can swing a little MES maybe in my personal account if we get down there. Again, as we get closer to the opening, we cancel all our orders and take a chill pill. And that's the end of that. That's the name of that tune. I don't see any stocks I care about that are doing anything. We also looked at yesterday, was such a beautiful trend trade. Was it yesterday? I don't remember when it was even. And we got that tweet at the end of the day. But yeah, look at that. Look at this trend trade yesterday. That is just gorgeous all day. Wah, 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 wah. Lots of money to be made there. And then if you're here after the bell and you had any orders out, you got blown out of the water. Those bars can happen at any time. That's why I don't risk more than 150 or 200 bucks on any trade that we do. Period. In these times. The video, I'm looking down at the 162 level. Got a marker out down there. 163. I think that's, I will tell you what it is. It's either weekly or monthly. Yeah, 162 is the weekly. And 162 is the monthly, both weekly and monthly. Again, doesn't mean it's going to stop there, but that's where I start adding back to my position. 162, 152, 142, 132, and that's for long term. Long term. Oh, Robert, we have futures, stocks, options, everything. Our ultimate course is futures, it's stocks, it's options, it's the live boot camp, which we're in right now, where we go over the entire course live in real time with Ken, with Kevin, with Scotty, all my experts who are better at what they do than I am and smarter than me. I would say Ken, Kevin, and Scotty are all smarter than me. So I've tried to surround myself with people who are better at what they do than I am, because there's no ego. There's no ego in trading, and there's no crying in baseball. And we just tried to guide everybody along their way. So let's keep an eye on our orders. Again, I want if we're going to 83.50, we want it to happen soon. It's only down 8 points from here now.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Perfect timing, Pete. It's all yours.
You got it, buddy. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I got a little pneumonia, so I'm going to sound a little hazy. Anyway, good morning. Happy Friday. You're in the right place, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Hey, everybody. Mondays and Fridays, trade the opening bell with David and the team. You are all welcome here. You are in the right place for this crazy, volatile market. Check out our new website. Check out the new futures course. Check out the risk management course. There's so much content that we're putting out that will actually, if you want to learn to trade, get paid to trade, and really just develop yourself as a trader with really good habits, then you're in the right place. Anyway, happy Friday. So let's talk about what's happening in the market. Today, the market is already, the VIX are up 8% this morning. Crude is up 4%. The Dow is looking at a 200-point down. 52-point opening downside. Excuse me. Got a bit of a sore throat. And it's been that kind of a week, right? So obviously we're in the middle of a it's not called a war, I guess it's called a conflict. That's kind of, we're downgrading it to a conflict. And you know what? At the end of the day, for when markets, the only thing the market can handle virtually anything. We've seen this over decades, right? But except uncertainty and fear. And the bottom line is right now we've got both of those things. The fear index has been up day after day after day, like 10%, 8%, and the VIX is a really, sometimes when the market is doing what this one's doing, it's a key sign that we're fear is in the market. There's anxiety and people are starting to sell stocks. So anyway, we did have 2 days this week where the market was up, right? Those were sort of dead cat bounces. Those were, I'm not sure. People were trying to get the momentum to go on the upside. And in fact, those days were the days that the administration had put out a couple of tweets claiming that we had settled things up with Iran, even though Iran claimed that was not the case. And so we've obviously got the Straits of Hormuz, Suez Canal, all these places with a complete disruption of distribution of oil to 90% of the world, right? That's the problem. And when you've got oil that is, sustainably trading above 90, 95, 100, $110, massively inflationary, it's going to start eating away. And I'd mentioned this last night on our call. You should all come and join our course, join everything we're doing. David and the team are just putting out some amazing stuff. We've got a great course teaching futures, teaching risk management. It's where you want to be. However, the important thing about this is for every $10 that the price of oil goes up, that is equivalent to 1% in GDP, gross domestic product, right? That measures the strength and the health of the economy. And so when GDP is going down, right, how far are we up since this whole conflict started? We started around 65 a couple of Sundays ago when this conflict started, and we are now trading above 110. So that's 40 points. That means we have gone from a fairly healthy economy 3 weeks ago to now one that is trading in negative territory. So not only are we not looking at an interest rate cut, we may in fact be looking at an interest rate raise. And so everything is is actually a mess economically, and then we're going to start eroding things from the employment point of view, and PPI, CPI. These are all measures of inflation, of the health of the economy. And so when you have a sustainable war that involves a commodity such as oil, and the price continues to stay high levels like this, you're going to start to see a cluster F, excuse my language. And that's where we're in right now. And so, we're getting down to levels where, we talked about it last night on the call with David, where there's, from an investable point of view, we're getting down to a level because we're in correction mode on the NASDAQ and the Russell. Okay, S&P is pretty close. Just think about this. Ladies and gentlemen, what, I don't know, 6 weeks ago maybe, we actually hit 50,000 on the Dow and we hit 7,000 on the S&P. Massive threshold numbers, right? These were like, these were record highs. We were on a record high daily levels. And 6 weeks later, 7 weeks later, we are down quietly without our permission. This market has eroded about 6-7% of its value, and that's significant. It kind of happened quietly, right? When you can move 1,000 points a day and literally move 1,000 points on a tweet, well, then you know what, anything can really happen. So on the upside, that means that we could get back to where we were fairly quickly if we end this conflict and we get ourselves back on track. But what's unfortunate about this conflict, which is different than all the other things that this administration has embarked on, is I don't think we can turn back the hands of time on this one, right? We've really shaken up a part of the world that is, it's got to be one of the most incestual areas of all. Nobody likes each other. These are really contentious trading partners and global political partners. I mean, it's a mess. The bottom line is it's a mess. So as traders, we love the volatility around that, but we can be in a trade for all the right reasons, and a tweet can come out and this market can either go up 1,000 or down 1,000. So I beg of you all, Fridays tend to be, look, after a Friday like we had 3 days, 2 days down, 2 days up. Right, the downside was more significant. I think the buy side days, the two positive days, one was medium, one was fairly reasonable, but it didn't even match the downside. And so I think everyone just got to sort of sit on their hands until the trade's set up. Make sure you use your stop orders wherever you can. You have to on every order you do. Right, listen to David, stay on with David as long as you can, because it's the right place to be. But you know what, the market will get, we've seen this before. I know sometimes from an investing point of view and a trading point of view, when you're in the midst of this sort of dark corridor, you think, oh my God, this really looks bad. Are we ever going to come out of this? And the bottom line is, yes, we have seen it before, and we will get out of it. And you know what? And we will hit record highs again. And, it may not even be that far off, because these markets move so radically, so quickly, that as far as that was sort of the upside of when we had, like last year, that February, March, and April sell-off of 20.8%. We got back to even on that one literally in 4 weeks. So it can all happen the minute this conflict is settled. I'm not sure that the administration is able to do that right now. The narrative is just not clear. I don't know if anybody's really talking to each other. I kind of think and we don't have any adults up there. So anyway, a lot of trading opportunity. Yesterday was really a beautiful day from the trend trade side, which is Wall Street Global Trading Academy. David Green's one of our best, most profitable trades all day long. The trend trade was spectacular. That's the trade where it's going in one direction. It pulls back to the 9 to 15 EMA and then continues to go down. Was sent out by the administration that made the market rally crazily and took all those shorts out fairly quickly. So anyway, you know what? Keep your eyes on the machine. Keep your eyes on your stop orders. Be disciplined. Be consistent. And I'll pass it back to my man, Dave. My pleasure. Hey, what's up, Brian? So I'm going to pick this back just for Brian, because I know how much he loves the trade. I'm going to be on the floor in about 5 minutes. I'll give you guys what the market imbalances are for the opening bell, and we'll check in. Hopefully there'll be something where there's a fun little trade, because on the opening, those of you who are new on our feed here, I trade market on close and market on open imbalances, and that can have a really wonderful impact on that or on the orb trade for the opening. So I'll be on the floor in 5 minutes. I'll check back in with you, and I gotta go. So David, it's all yours, or whoever else is on here. You there, Davey? Scotty, you should pick it up from here because I gotta go run to the exchange.
Nope, you're all good, Pete.
Thanks,
Appreciate
buddy.
you. Yeah, man.
Yeah, see you guys in a little bit.
We're bottoming out. Something I noticed a moment ago is 64.8350. It's a big double bottom from the other day, so you can take a look at those things. Right now, I'm just kind of hands off, see what the morning's going to do, see if we curl up on the open. Seven, 9.5 is a fib, William. Thank you. Yeah, I don't have any orders out at the moment. I can't see YouTube. I think David's live on YouTube, yeah. So YouTube, if you hear me, I apologize.
Everybody can hear you.
Hey, morning, DG. How are you, bud?
All right, who's got anything out besides 6509?
I don't. We got a 79.5 fib, and I'm still looking at 83.5, but we seem to just miss it, and that's a pretty big low. If we break that, we're probably more to the downside, I think.
I like 79.50 if we get down, putting that out.
I know.
It's down 10 points from here.
Yeah.
Chakalaka. Again, guys and girls, as we get closer to the opening, we cancel everything and we'll play our orbation.
Mm-hmm.
Chill pill. 30 EMA is 6,500. That's way too close.
Now, 65.11, I've got a fib there, and it's a 65 EMA, 65.11 even.
Just going to say, if we're at 09, we're going to go to 11, 65 EMA. It's 11.95. I'm cheating by a point if we spike up.
Yeah, I've got a 1075 fib. It's in the way. If we start moving up there, I suspect 65 will meet us there. So I'm with you at 11. Thanks, sir.
And this is only good until the opening. Again, the whole market is way oversold, so we can get big bounces at any point. Oil, nada. Gold, nada. And MES, nada. Make sure our orb is set up. Opening range breakout. Again, we had a good night last night in slow markets with Scotty, so everybody's got a nice little cushion coming into the day. If it was me, I wouldn't even be here today. If I didn't have to be. Yeah. Boom shakalaka. Thoughts on MES weekly 65 EMA? Yeah, I love it. If we get down there, I will start 6401. I just need 1,600 to pass my account. Okay. How many times have we heard, I just need this amount? I have blown up accounts where I just needed $50. I'm sure we all have. So just stick to the plan, Ralph. Stick to the plan. Under pressure. No. Oh, I mean, I don't know how much time you have left. That's a different thing. Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can get near our 79.50. We love that. I hear you, Arlene. All good. Going off the rails on a crazy train. We'll give everything a few minutes till we get closer to the opening. So we want this 10-point spike down fairly quickly if we're going to go in that direction. Let's go around the horn. Come on, Meta, keep going down. Today and Monday. You too, NVIDIA. And you too, Microsoft. Oil? I got nothing. What do you mean moved? Moved to where? Yeah, spiked up a little, spiked down. The ATR in oil is only 30 cents, which is good. If we move twice the ATR, either way, I will look to get involved. Again, no orders for the opening, though. Unless we get hit in this NES. That's 79.50. Does Apex have a sale going on now? I don't even know if they do. Last I checked, I don't think they did. Yeah. Guys, don't ever buy a Apex account until you have at least an 80% off sale. It could be, right? How many times are we going to test this? This could be a momentum trade to the downside. You know, the low is 85.75. We've tested it, I don't know, 3 or 4 times now. So that could be a Momo trade to the downside. And we'll give the 79.50 maybe this pop down. So there you go. There was your 1 minute Momo trade. 85.75. Just gave you 2 points. Which is really all we're looking to get. 1 and 2 quick points. It's 100, 150 bucks. Boom. Actually gave 1, 2, and 3 points. So we're only going to give this 79.50 a couple of minutes. We are not oversold. That's only a 5-point move. We missed it by 3 points. So we'll give that a minute or two. Short 30 EMA is what? 91? That's too close. What do we got? 93 is our 65 EMA. So let's go 93.50 if we spike up. 64, 93.50. Again, I'm keeping everything very small today. Boy, would 79 have been nice, huh? $93.50 this pop up. And I'll leave 79 up because we didn't come that close to it, at least between now and the opening. So it did give you a Momo trade for a couple of pointavos. Going off the rails on a crazy train. All right, Pete. Later, Gator. Later, Gator. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. All right. Where are we? 9:05. Anyone know what time it is? Anyone know what time it is? Someone tell me what time it is. It's peanut butter coffee time, peanut butter coffee time, peanut butter coffee time. Give 79.50 this pop down or close to it. I'll be back in fiber. All right, guys and girls, I'm canceling the downside for now. Taking a chill pill. I only like 93 if that goes fast. I'll be right back. I think we are just going to be all over the freaking place today. So relax. Yeah, all right, ladies and germs. I left an order out at 79.50 and never got hit, so didn't miss anything. Still like 93 for now. Actually, let's lower it a little. 91.50. Pump off. We get that in short order. We'll cancel everything for the opening in about 10 minutes. William has 72.50. I'll put that out on a buy side, William, down 10 points. I'm down with that. If we do it fast. Again, guys and girls, it's Take It Easy Friday. But I like it straight down 10 points. We'll take the crack. Going off the rails on a crazy train. Going off the rails on a crazy train. Yep. I got it. Oh, okay. So we like 97, not 91. 72.97 for now.
Hey guys.
What up, Pete?
Hey Dave, how are you?
Feel good.
Good. Anyway, I'll pop on for a quickie here. So right now, market's down 40 handles. Obviously, as I said before, right, we've got VIX are up. Both all the different markets are down over still just indecisiveness between the administration and what's happening in reality. So right now, the imbalance is basically sell 50 million. That's nothing. So normally what I would be doing, just to keep you guys up on how we trade the dislocation between what the opening and the NYSE is and where it's trading away. It's like trading away on opinion. NYSE opening based on dollar notional value of how many shares there are, dollar value of stocks coming in to buy or sell for the opening bell. So right now we have to actually sell $66 million. It's a nothing burger. So within that, unless this changes radically, that would be sort of an opportunity to get a little pop out of the opening because there's not enough. In order for it to open where it's trading pre-market, which is down 44 handles, you would need about 800 to $1 billion for sale. We don't have that. We've got nothing, 50 million for sale, which means that there's nothing to put that pressure on the sell side. So that means when the market opens where it's trading down, it's going to probably pop off that. So I'm not here to recommend anything. I'm just giving you the reality. I know Brian loves that trade and we'll go from there. I'm sure Dave has got some things set up for you guys. The opening bell is in a few minutes and we'll see what happens. Look, Fridays, it's been that crazy of a week. We had 2 down days, 2 up days. I think the down days were more significant. We've still got all this anxiety going on around all of the delivery posts from Straits of Hormuz, Suez Canal, and all that stuff with no clarity coming out of the White House. So everybody, hold on to your chairs, hold on to your seats, and we'll go from here. I'll keep you posted. I'll hop on after the open.
Thank you, Pete.
You got it, yeah.
Bump, 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 bump. All right, see what happens.
If it changes, I'll get back to you.
Thank you, Pete. Well, we're going to cancel everything in 5 minutes anyway, William, as we get closer to the opening. Yeah. Take a chill pill. But for now, we're good. What Pete's talking about is right after the market opens. Could get a little Popinski. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Do, 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 do. We'll see what the cat drags in, Bobbleers. What's NB? NB. I don't know what that is. Nothing burger, maybe. Is that what that is? A big fat nothing burger. We'll give 97 another couple minutes. Gold is on the run. Gold on the run. Gold on the run. Yeah, we just spiked up what? 12 points. All the ATRs are not that crazy this morning. Well, we got 44.78. That's up 12 points from here. Again, we're getting closer to the opening, but I like it if we get up there, 44.78. But I would just like to relax on the opening. So we'll give our 97 another minute here. Otherwise, we'll cancel everything and just take a chill pill. Brian, you grab a little long, Brian? Off Pete? Boom, chaka laka laka. Boom. 7 points. So what Pete was talking about, as we're getting closer to the opening, there wasn't enough on the sell side. So as soon as he mentioned that, could have grabbed a little bit and boom, chakalaka. All right, let's see if we get to 97 on this pop up. Otherwise, we'll cancel that and just take a chill pill for the opening. Got to be this pop. Bump, bump, bump. Ba-na-na-na-na-na. Way to get it.
Did you take the pants that I put up?
I'm wearing them.
Oh, okay. Put a sweatshirt over on the chair.
All right, let's cancel our orders for the opening and take a chill pill. Relax, don't do it. Let's just not do anything right now. We like gold anyway? Nah. We know likey gold. Everybody relax. I'm just going to fill my coffee. I'll be back in 2 minutes. No orders for the opening. We'll play our ovation.
Hey, Davey, just a quick update, guys. This is a perfect example where this trade works, right? So it was down 44 handles when I got on earlier today. We've already rallied 14 handles. There's still only about $125 million for sale for the opening bell. The market's rallied a bunch already, but there's still not enough to take it down. We need 800 to $1 billion to sell on the opening bell to take it where it's trading pre-market. So there may still be a little bit of a pop. This is for you, my friend Brian. Fantastic. I love it. Don't you? I just love that. You know, it's all about the edge. It's all about consistency, discipline. It's a pleasure working with all of you. I'll be back after the opening. Good luck, guys.
Well, Brian's done for the day. All right, we'll play our orb, guys and girls. Just take a chill pill. 65, 30, 64, 13, 65, 13. All right, let's put it out small. I'm with you, Vish. It's up 17 points from here. Boom. A done. Done and doneer. Wow, we exactly hit 97 and pulled back 4 points, guys. Exactly 30 EMA. Technicals, technicals, technicals. Nice job, Bo. Nice job. All right, we got 65.13. We like a double bottom. Let's just let them open and take a chill pill. You guys already had a couple of great trades if you listen to Peter. Crazy. Oil. Nice bounce off the 30, but we're sitting in nowhere's land now. Gold. Gold just had a complete reversal meltdown. Wow. That's because the market's going up. Gold's going down. Market going up. Gold going down. What do I think about Micron? We'll look after the opening. Remind me. We have 65.07 and 65.13. Couple of levels. We'll take a chill for the opening. Let them open. Boom, boom, boom. I want you tonight. We'll play our orbation and take a nice fat chill pill. So we wait till 9:40 for our orb setup. Smackadaka. We like a double bottom, 79, or anyone have anything lower than that we want to look at? Nothing on the downside, guys. 72.50. Oh yeah, let's put that out. Down 12 points from here. I'm down with that. 64, 72.50. Boom. Bump, 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 bump. See if we get it on this Papa. Papa don't preach. Ah. Wah, wah, wah. That sucked. We got the 74.25. We still like it? Probably not, right? Damn. That would have been nice, William. Yeah, we wait. Stink. That would have been Gorgi. Yeah, right, Ken? 3 points away in the spiders from my level. Well, at the moment, we like the top of the orb, 94. But what time is it? 9:33. I'm putting it out small. It's up 16 points from here. 64.94. Boom. William had it nailed. We just missed it. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I want you tonight. Anyone have anything lower? That we might want to look at? Ah, shit, I left 72.50 out. I forgot about it. I just got out break even. Didn't even make a penny on it. Yeah, 36.50 we love. And, you know, we're still at a 31 RSI, so we're not stretched to the downside yet. Bum, 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 bum. Too early to play the break of the orb. I mean, I guess you could have. What was it? 72. Yeah, paid a couple of quick points. Spider's going to break 640. Bitcoin's down 2,000 points again. Well, you got 4 points off the first break of the orb. At 10 o'clock, we got that number coming out. Someone remind me so we don't have any orders out. I left out 72.50, got 10 points. Very nice. 63. Everything looks risky right now, Bish. I'm trying 63 in an eval. If we spike down there. Bottom of the orb was the trade. Got oil spiking up. Not really. Nothing in gold. I'm putting one out at 63.50 if we get there. I trust fish. 63 looks risky. 64.25 Mio has. All right. I don't know what to do, guys and girls. I think we just take a chill pill and relax. Broke 640 in the spiders. Let me put my marker in spiders. 638. 630. What did I say? I don't even remember now. 638, 636. If we go in that direction. No, we only got to 66, so we didn't miss it. What do we like to short, guys? Yeah. No, it didn't get this through 63, William. That was a good spot that Bish had. We didn't get there. Would have been a good fib. 86.50. Well, broke the bottom of the orb and gave you a nice trade. 88. Now let's do 88. Up 14 points. I'm down with that. Then we got the top of the orb. 64.52. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you did the bottom of the orb at 935, you had a nice trade, right? It was what? 72. It went down 5 points. Boom. That was your first 935 orb. Banana, banana, banana. What is that? 638, 636. Big rally. Big, big, big. Every day we get so oversold. We get this rally and it doesn't rally enough to get short. Cancel a 94. Wherever we may go. Like the 88, if we do it on this pop up. No. And then what's the top of the orb? 95. So 88 is still up 10 points. It's good. Anybody see something somewhere else? Let us know. Again, what I say, what time is that news coming out? 10 o'clock, right? Yeah. Do you remember September's foggy freeze? Cancel 83. I did, Vish. I thought we had 88. That worked for everybody? Gold's hitting the top of the orb right now at 55. Gold just paid a couple of points off that. Bump, 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 bump. Just get it over with and get to our levels. 30 EMA is 92. 15 EMA is 87. What do we like on the short side, guys? Want to just go top of the orb and relax? What is that? 95? You guys tell me. Anybody have anything out short? I'm definitely putting out 95. 89.50. There we go. Thank you, Fish. 87 and 89.50. Okay. 64, 89, 50. Yeah, I was just kind of thinking the top of the orb, which is what, 90, 95. But I like 89 if we spike up 13 points. It's fine for now. Anyone have a fib on the downside below 66 that we like? Scotty's got 51. Let's put that out. Down with that. Thank you, Scotty. Perry's got 57. All right, I like that better. And 58. There we go. 64.58, guys and gals. Then we got 51 below that. 58's down 17 points from here. We're good. Previous day low is 65.17 and what? Oh, on the short side. Yeah, definitely like that. Then if we get there. Absolutely. We're flopping in nowhere's land. This is the bottom line right now. So take a chill pill. SPY on my long-term, yes. My markers in SPY are for some long-term swing trades and a bunch of stuff. I can watch the orb breakdown again. I think we got to change to our 15-minute though. All right. So let's do that first. And then see where we're at. All right, so the bottom of the orb is 66. That's down 6 points from here. Guys, we're kind of just sitting in the middle here of everything right now. ATR is 9. So I don't think I'd short the bottom now. Down 9 points. I think we're just stuck in the middle of everything right now. And let's just be conservative. It's Friday. Take a chill pill. That's all. I like Fisher's fib at 89.50. That's up 13 points. I like 58. Perry's fib on the downside. That's good. Let the chips fall at MA, guys and girls. Again, it's Friday. It's been a good week. It's been a great learning week. Good traders should be bored most of the time. That is correct, my friend. Absolutely. Bum, bum, bum. All right, let's see if we spike up to 89, and we got the top of the orb at 95. So let's give 89 another minute here. Bottom of the orb buy might be setting up now. So we're in nowhere's land. 30 more seconds for 89. Otherwise, we'll go to the top of the orb, which is 95. That's good. Spiders are well off their lows now. I'm kind of digging top of the orb and bottom of the orb now. All right, bottom of the orb would be down 16 points. Top of the orb would be up 14 points. So that's where I'm at now. We never get what we want, I can tell you that. You can't always get what you want. All right, let's just play the orb. All right. 95. And we'll put out 66.50. I'm not opposed. 66.50. Well, let's just be patient. 64, City 6, 50. Let's be patient. 30 EMA is 92.50 also. So eval putting out 92.50 and 95. If we get there fast. Bum, 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 bum. 92.50, 95. Okay, let's see if we get this pop up. Oh, we just missed 92.50. Got to 90. Guys, let's just be very patient and let them do that freaking thing today. Had a huge rally. Huge. Again, we get oversold. We have these big, gigantic rallies up, and then we freaking sit in nowhere's land. 95 on this pop. Do it. Do it. Do it. So far, we got 92. Let's give it another minute. Still like it. And then we got 65.04, guys. And we definitely like the bottom of the orb now. I guess we ain't getting the spiders today. Want. Let's see if we get 95 on this pop. Didn't get to 93 even, right? It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. We'll give 95 another minute. And we'll go up to the 65 EMA at 65.04. Anyone else got any bright ideas and anything else? Let me know. Market can close up today. Wouldn't shock me. Yes. We are definitely waiting. That's for shizzle. I've done every 95 this pop, guys. Uh, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, come on. Everybody in at 93? I didn't get it. Take profits. Boom. How did I not get it? Oh, I got it in my Apex, but I didn't get it here. 5 points, guys and girls. Take the money and run. Oh, I canceled it. That's why I didn't get it. We went to 95. But I left 93 in one of my other accounts. Jesus Christmas. Did anyone get 93? It was 94.50. You stink, David. Oh, that hurt. All right, whatever. Next. Only went down 10 points. Oh, man. All right, what do we like on the buy side? This is crazy. 66, right, guys? I like the bottom of the orb. No? Nobody likes the bottom of the orb? I'm trying it. 66. Go straight down 10 points. This has 72.50. This looks a little newsy to me, guys and girls. So I would take a chill pill. $66 on this pop down. What a short, huh? Who knew? This had 72.50, guys and girls. I couldn't even get it out in time. It paid a couple of points. I'm still leaving 66 for a minute. Let's pop down 66. Oh, you wanted volatility? We got volatility. What do we got below 66? 57 Perry's got. Okay. So we'll give 66 this Nick Papadopoulos. David makes me laugh. That's what I'm here for. Looking out. We'll give this another minute. And then we got 58 below. So this popped down 66. Still like it for another minute or two. What we say we got 58 below this. In the groove, in the groove. This hit, we cancel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1.5, 1 3/4. It's one of these ones where if we don't cancel, it's going to work. If we do cancel, it's not going to work. That's exactly what's going to happen. Right? Uh-huh. In the groove, in the groove, taking a little off. Oh, we're going up, run right up to 67.50. You piece of crap. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you, man. Was a nice break at the bottom of the orb, right? Oh, just keep to the ESs. I mean, the small ones. Want. I hate trading on Fridays. We should have just played the break of the orb. All right. We are out. That was a beautiful break of the orb. Where was my market order? Chill, guys. And we tested the bottom of the orb too, so it was a good short down there. We got news in 3 minutes. All right, let's cancel everything. Let it sit. Relax. Spiders are 639, getting close to my level. Let's wait till this news comes out. No, we had to play the long on the bottom of the orb. We are in nowhere's land now. Chill it out. Don't do anything until after this news now, guys. It's coming out in 2 minutes. We're still at a 30 RSI, so we are not even oversold by any stretch of the imagination. We're almost at 638 spiders. So we're approaching my first level.
Black news, Dave.
Yes, take a chill pill. Wait till after the news comes out. Spiders just bounced a bunch. They don't like it. They do like it. They don't like it. They do like it. They don't like it. Let me get my SPY out. 638. Marker. Consumer sentiment in line. All right. We use tradingeconomics.com. All right, guys. Anyone got any bright ideas? Didn't Perry have 58 and change? Wouldn't have got stopped out from that one. That worked. $57.25. Yeah, I thought. All right. Well, don't we have a pivot point at what? 38, 37. Let's definitely have that out just in case. It's down 20 points. 64, 37. All right. What do we like on the short side? Someone give me a fib or something. Or a trend. What do we like? Trend is what? 73. 9 EMA up 17 points. We're trying that. 64.73. Boom. $37.73. 86.25. Okay. I want the market to keep going down. Start some swing tradies. And again, guys, we told everybody, take it easy Friday. Relax. On a whopping $80. Chill. Bump, bump, bump. No. We got 73 and then we got 79. If we want to be real conservative, we can go to 79. But 73 will be up 20 points. We'll try it small. Everybody who's on the MESs only, guys, correct? Give me some ones. Yes. Good. Chill. Chill. Same link for next week, Joe. I might change it the week after that, depending on how many visitors we get next week. Yep. If you want to visit next week, just send me an email. If you haven't before, people, Yahoo people, YouTube people. Send me my personal email and I'll get you in the trading room next week. All right. 15 EMA is 79. Gonna go there. Modify up a little bit. Chill. Anything else going on in gold or oil? Oil pulled back to the top of the orb. It's breaking down a little bit. Nothing honeys. We want down, not up. Spiders rallied 70 cents. Top of the orb would be, bottom of the orb would be very aggressive if you wanted to. If you want it, here it is. Come and get it. But you better hurry if you're going. What is it? 66 would be aggressive yone. Like the bottom of the orb in oil. Get that. For our oil traders. Didn't even get to the bottom of the orb, did it? Nope. Got to 54, got to 63. The bottom of the orb was 66, so couldn't even get that. You better. I'm just running to the boys and guys and girls. Orders are good. Back in 1 minute. Till pill. All right, guys and gals, where we at? What do we got? Anything? Don't look like it. Kind of just sitting in nowhere's land. Anybody got any bright ideas? Again, it's Friday. This market has been, look at gold. Let me look at gold. All right. I mean, I like gold on our preview on the pivot point. what we get to 91. That is 96.30. And the ATR is 11. We'd be coming up from 74. Let's do that. 96.30 in MGC. You're very good with that. Maria. 96.30 if we go fast. $96.30 on this pop up in gold. June. What is the June contract in gold? I don't know what it is. On Apex. M? Thank you. ACM. Apex. I can't even trade on Apex. Ah. 76 we like short. Okay, let's put that out. Fish. 14 points is good. We like the top of the up to buy gold, right? 59. Yeah, definitely. We go in that direction. $44.59. Okay, good in gold. Give that a few minutes. Market's been tough for a long time, Digger. Just not easy. Well, that's why we keep things small. All right, we're 37.76. We are 59.96. Got my marker out in the spiders. Honey, if you want it, here it is. Come and get it. But you better hurry, cause you're going fast. Let's see if we get gold on this pop up. Okay. Still good 76-ish for a couple minutes. Still up 10 points. I'm okay with it. Just pop maybe. Then we got, what do we got? 83. Above that. Guys, if you have been in boot camp, okay, I can't give you access to the trading room next week for a trial. This was boot camp and a trial. So at the end of today, we'll tell you guys how, if you want to stay with us in the room, we'll tell you how to get in touch with Ken, Kevin, Scotty, if you want to do private lessons. And we're going to take our break at about 11 o'clock, and then Ken's going to get started with momentum trade and Fibonacci's today. All right, we're in a little gold small, 96.30. Take a chill pill. Relax. Bum, 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 Take a buck. We got a quick point out of it. We got a 1.5. All right, we'll take it. We'll take a little something. Did we just miss 76 in the MESs, guys? I think we did. All right, what do we like next? Oh, I thought we just missed it, Fish. I'm sorry. I'm an idiot. Well, I got it in the other account. You guys still have 76? I don't even think you had time to cancel it. God. Yep. I canceled it up here too. That's just one of them days, guys and girls, for me. I'm wrong in everything I do. Well, some people got it. All right, what do we like next? 30 EMA is what? 83. Let's put that out. 64.83. Good call, Bish. I mean, it was a 30 EMA too. $86.25, a bit higher. Okay, we'll see how we get there. Great call at 76 for a couple points. Yeah, some people got it. All right, good. Obviously, the kid is off his game a little bit right now. Everyone get a little bucks off of gold? We got that one. Anyone get the gold trade? All right. Ken's got a fib at 80.50 if we want to try it small, and then we got 83. I'm down with it. 64, 80, 50. We go fast. Probably leave both out. Gold. Anyone have any other levels in gold? Where's Maria? When you need her. Gold. Well, I'm trading the MGC, the contract in. Me too, Maria. The contract is MGC M6. MGC M6 in our Apex, in our can't even trade it in Apex, so. But it's M6. What do we like on the buy side of the ESs, MESs, guys? Nothing. We're in nowhere's land. Got a 1.5 out of gold. Yeah, it has. Anybody who followed Vish and Perry all day is having a good day. Like I said, I'm off a little bit today. It happens. Not going to be 100% every time we're in here. Do we like the bottom of the orb at 66? What are we coming down from? Not really. It's an 11-point move. Bum, 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 bum. So there you go. A little patience in gold paid you 7 points. All right, we got to cancel 37. We ain't ever getting to that. Gold trend is 77. That's a little close for me. 72 is the 15 EMA. That will be down 26 points. Putting that out in gold, guys and girls. 15 EMA, 72. Down 14 points from here. Boom. I don't know. Oil flying. Wow. Don't ask me why. Boom, 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 boom. What do we got in oil? No, we had 98.08. Anyone like that? Oh, we can't trade oil. Oh, we can trade oil, can't we? I thought it was just gold. Yeah. All right. Let's try 98.08 in oil. What is that? The MCL? 98.08. We'll try it small. That is the previous week close. If we go fast. MGC, I have 2 buys. Let's get rid of both of them for now. We'll see where we want to be. Oil, gold. Yeah, we like 75 in gold. That is a 15 EMA, down 18 points from here. Good in gold, good in silver. I mean, oil. And what are we doing in the MESs, guys? What do we got out in MES? Let's refresh. Okay. But what do we like? Talk to me, Goosies. We like a double bottom. Down 16 points. 86 on the short side. That is a fib. Anyone else got anything on the short side? Yeah, I love a double bottom. I will try a double bottom anyway. 54 is good. Let's put it out. Down 14 points from here. Boom. Oh, shit. I just bought it at the market like I always do. Sell, sell, sell. Market. 66.54. 64.54. I put it in 10 points above. 100 points above. Like I always do. Yep, we like the double bottom on this pop. Broke the orb again. Like to see MGC on this pop. 74. Let's keep an eye on it. Want it on this pop. Otherwise, we'll go down to 66. Still good down 10 points. Still good double bottom. We do it quickly in the MESs. We will try. Again, guys, MESs all day. Take a chill pill. Just leave the markers out. I don't need that orders out. 636 and 638 and 636. Okay. All right, my YouTube family. No, Apex doesn't have gold again. We'll see you guys on Monday bright and early. Send me an email if you want to get into the room next week. Boom, chaka-laka laka. More than welcome, guys and girls. Again, just be very careful in this market. Stay on the minis. If we're going to lose, we're going to lose very small. And it's just been it's a tough market, man. So take a chill pill. Let's hope today is the worst day we ever have and tomorrow is a better day. I say peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. See all the YouTubers on Monday in the trading room if they so choose. We are out of here like Vladimir Oberski and Outski. All right.